New video time. My little box cutter. This should do it. Easy. Easy. What is this? Midgards Messer. Upside down. Yes, the Beowolf, the Beowolf. Screw. Unscrew. Baby screaming. Eating breakfast in the other room. Pointy end. Big backspacer. Thick. A little thicker than the Viking. Thumb flick. No. Can you middle finger it? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. That'll give it some gas, some wrist. That is a sweet chunky blade. Yeah. Chunky. Feels really good in the hand. And it just fits right in there. The Beowolf. Nice texture on the scales. Just on that side. But then you get grip on the clip. Friggin' log is in the way. We got a log. Thick. Chunky. Big. Big, but not as big. And I really like these big chunky Midgards. The Viking, the Beowolf. Very cool. Smooth fingers. Smooth. Ugh. Awesome. Anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.